Today, Downer marks an important milestone in our journey towards a more inclusive and equitable workplace as we launch our new Inclusion and Belonging Strategy and Action Plan. Our IMB strategy reflects Downer's commitment to fostering a culture where everyone feels valued and respected, regardless of their background. It aims to create a supportive environment that empowers all employees to thrive and bring their whole selves to work, and is part of creating our high-performance culture, the Downer Difference. One of the 3 culture focus areas that underpins the Downer Difference is we stand for each other, which means that we all treat each other with respect and we always have each other's backs. These behaviours are fundamental to the Inclusion and Belonging strategy.
I deeply value diversity and inclusion in the workplace.
Inclusion creates a space where everyone's voices are heard.
Diversity creates collaboration where we are working together, challenging and inspiring each other.
It is important for every person at Downer to feel they belong and that they matter. When we lift each other up, we move towards a better future.
Being a champion of inclusion and belonging means advocating for every individual regardless of their background. It's a shared responsibility, and by advocating for diverse voices, we create a stronger, more innovative Downer. Our strength lies in our diverse workforce. Together, we can build a culture where everyone feels valued and empowered.